What's going on, you guys? Cameron here with another video. So today we're going to do FileMaker Pro, and we are going to do a full name calculation field on how you would combine like the first name field and the last name field. Let's jump into FileMaker Pro. And as FileMaker Pro opens, your screen might be a little bit different. You might see like the create new screen, which would look like this. You have the resources blank, convert, etc. With FileMaker Pro open, I'm just going to go to the Create tab and then select Create a blank database here. And then I'm going to be putting this in a specific location. This is the full name calculation. With your database open in FileMaker Pro, you will need a first name field and a last name field. So we're going to go ahead and create that. Our first name field will be the type of field will be a text. The last name field, the type of field for that will also be a text. And then to do a calculation field for the first name and last name, we are going to do, I like to do a C underscore full name. The C underscore is telling me that that field is a calculation field, as also the type of field type it is a calculation as well. I just like to see that very quickly at a glance in my table of fields. So I'm going to click create on that one. It's going to prompt me to specify the calculation for this field. The way you do a full name field, this is one way to do it. If you want the first name first and then the last name, you can do, you would start typing by first name, and then you would do the and symbol, double quotations. In between each quotation, you're going to do a space, and then we're going to do another and sign, and we're going to do last name. So as this looks, it's going to be first name, space, last name. This is how you would do it in the specify calculation. The calculation result is a text, so you want to make sure you change the calculation result to text. And then once this is complete, you would click OK. Since we did this C full name, I'm going to do another underscore and say first, last. So this is telling me that this calculation is the full name, the first name first, and then the last name. We're going to change that name, and then we're going to create another calculation field, but this time we're going to do the last and then the first name. And then we're going to specify this new calculation, which is the same setup as the last calculation we just did. We're just going to do last name first and double quotations, space, and first name. Since we built it off of the last field type, the calculation result is already a text, so we don't have to change anything there. We just click OK there, click OK here, and we have this new layout that's automatically generated through FileMaker. We're going to click and drag this over so we can see those field names and labels. We're going to add my first name, my last name, and you can see how the C full name, first name first and then the last name second. You can see it says Cameron Maciel, and then the second field calculation type we made was a C full name, last name first, and then the first name. That's one way to do it. Some people even like having a comma after the last name if they do the last name first. A quick shortcut here is a Shift Command D to go into Manage Database, or you can also get there by going to File, Manage Database. I'm going to change this this calculation so that it has a comma and then a space after the last name. We're going to click OK, and you can see here how the full name, last name first, first name second now has a comma after the last name. So guys, that's one way of doing a full name calculation between having the first name first or the last name first. And I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out, and I really look forward to bringing you more content. Thanks, guys.